I think this is Barkinek though, right? Or however you say it. I didn't choose my color. What is this disgusting color? And race, for that matter. Imagine. But the reason I kind of want to jump ahead and use that video is because I haven't been able to upload a Zerg VOD for like 5 or 6 videos at least now. It's been a while. I've just not had many good Zerg games lately. Or back then. Or lately. I don't even play Zerg anymore. What did I say about backseating? Somebody ban this, man. Time him out. Get him out of here. Let's try you're safe. I don't have any YouTube mods. I don't have any on YouTube. I'm not a YouTube mod or Twitch. Huh? You're a mod on my Twitch. You mean? Was top side. Gotcha. I am a...
Supply depots required. Base is
What did I see in there? Well, Zerg has no eco, but I am kind of dead. Oh, okay.
Supply depots required.
Downside is my eco also hurts quite a bit right now.
Your forces are under attack.
This is Maka's too far behind the toss. It's okay. Not enough minerals. Oh, he's counterattack. Yeah.
Research complete. Not enough minerals. Your forces are under attack.
Every time I look away, man, got leans on me.
Not enough minerals. Your forces are under attack.
Did I not repair that out of burning? Thought I did.
Not enough minerals. Mining complete.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
I don't think there's meat over, we're not gonna let ourselves die to something stupid.
Your forces are under attack.
Okay. Oh. Here's Muto.
Your forces are under attack.
Dude, he must have 0 eco.
Not enough minerals.
Oh god, what a scrap.
Your forces are under attack.
Ugh.